Hey guys, Negron here. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Type S, the 8-inch smart light bar off-road series. There was not a lot of videos on YouTube doing an unboxing. I found the little guys, the little round ones, the 6-inch one, but not really for the 8-inch bar other than Type S's actual video of overall products in general. So this light bar here, the top of the bar is a series of lamps. Those are your spotlights. There's a series at the bottom, I believe 6 lights, 6 top, 6 below. 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, 6 top, 6 below. Tops are white and the bottoms are multicolor. Everything is driven through the app, controlled by the app on your phone. You download the Type S app. It's free. And it automatically picks up the wireless controller on here, activates it, and everything's controlled through the app. This is a 39 watt and 3200 lumens. It is weatherproof. The entire package, the entire contents are weatherproof. It is aluminum. Now, there is a series out there that actually is plastic. The actual housing is plastic. I really don't dig them. I mean, they say they're weatherproof, but, you know, they're plastic. So, these here are aluminum. I have seen the 6-inch out of the box. I just received this one here. I have not seen this one yet. So, let's open this up and see what the inside is all about. Want to see, that's what the back of the box looks like, what it says, all the specifications. I'll show you that as I'm doing this unboxing here. Alright, you could always do a snapshot or pause that, you know, for later purposes. So we'll move that to the side. Alright, so here is what's inside the box. You have your 8-inch light bar, you have your wireless hub. Let's do that first, okay? I like the way they did this here. It's very simple plug and play. We have a positive, okay, and we have a negative. Put it on the battery, tuck your wires, nice and neat, out of sight, out of mind. It does come with an inline fuse distribution block here, which is also nice to have. And here is the Type S module. I got stuck there for a minute, I don't know why, but this is the waterproof wireless controller, which this is the brain. This is what syncs to your app that you will download. And once you download the app, you'll see that automatically the app will actually pick this up. And it'll say, there'll be like a series of 4 icons, like for interiors, exteriors, interior lightings, dome lighting, smart off-road, which is what this is, the smart off-road series. So that automatically will highlight. You click on that and everything is self-explanatory in that. So you hook this up to your battery, and then this also, let me see what else we have. Alright, perfect. This also comes included with the 3M. So the 3M here, as you can see, will match up to this here, allowing you to be able to stick this pretty much anywhere. Tie straps are included. These little rubber mounts, they're like little rubber shims that are included. You do have Allen wrench provided with Allen wrench screws, which I'm assuming is for the actual brackets that will hold the light bar. Zip ties, if I didn't mention that. Instruction booklet, everything that you need to know is in there, obviously. Let's take this bad boy out. As you can hear, it's metal. Okay. I guess it really doesn't matter which way you have it. These yellow series lights are the spotlight. They're just white, okay? These ones here are the multicolor. So you could either have it this way, or you can have it this way while still having Type S displayed upright, okay? What I really like about the Type S here is that not only is it metal, but as you can see, there's this huge gasket going all the way around. And they allow you to get inside if needed. I don't know if you can see this, but right here, there's little notches. And you screw this down. So it allows you to be able to turn it any which way you want, okay? Once you get it mounted on whatever vehicle you're putting it on, you have two connectors, a male and a female. You put them together, let's see, as so. There we go, okay? And then once it's connected, these two pieces here will slide over, and you just screw the male and the female together, creating your bond connection. And there you have it. That is the Type S plug and play 8-inch off-road light bar. I gotta say, I love the product so far. I haven't installed it. Maybe I will do in the future an install video. I have a 2010 Ford F-150. So that's it. App controlled 8-inch light bar by Type S. Plug and play.